6 habits that damage your lung health. Oxygen is the fuel for your lungs. Giving up some bad habits like smoking and leading a sedentary life is essential for good lung health and good breathing. The lungs are the largest organs in the body, and their job is to take in oxygen from the air and expel carbon dioxide. In addition, they allow the proper functioning of the brain. The problem is that with the hectic life we lead, we stop breathing properly and we adopt some habits that affect lung health. Therefore, to avoid long-term respiratory problems, it is essential to make certain adjustments in the daily routine. These not only contribute to maintaining the proper function of the respiratory tract, but to improve health in general. Discover what are those 6 habits that can damage the lungs. What habits damage your lung health? The lung is an organ with a large and vulnerable surface. Its function is to capture oxygen from the environment to live and help expel gases that are harmful to the body. Thus, they receive oxygen and cleanse the blood of some impurities. When we talk about lung health, we are referring to the prevention and management of lung diseases such as asthma, bronchitis, or any inflammation in the lungs or airways. However, these conditions do not occur alone. In general, they are linked to bad habits that we carry out every day. Therefore, to have a healthy life, it's important to avoid practicing the 6 routines that we talk about below. Breathe and fill your body with vitality. Number 1. Lack of physical activity. Being physically active not only helps you be in good general health, but also helps your lungs carry more oxygen. In this way, they provide energy and at the same time remove a higher concentration of carbon dioxide from the body. Number 2. Do not do breathing exercises. It is very likely that in the day-to-day rush we forget how to breathe properly, so sometimes we feel tired for no apparent reason. To avoid this, it is best to put aside any thoughts and take a moment to breathe in and out calmly. The breathing exercises for lung health can help bring calm needed to perform the remaining tasks. Just a few minutes of conscious, slow breathing a day could make a difference. Number 3. Smoking. It is no secret to anyone that cigarette smoking is one of the causative agents of lung diseases. Smoking can be a risk factor for the development of lung cancer, COPD, or asthma attack. Avoiding this practice is ideal for good lung health. You will be able to breathe better and you will increase your quality of life. In fact, 10 years after kicking the habit, the risk of dying from lung cancer is cut in half. Number 4. Not cleaning the home or workspace. Cleanliness within the home and workplace is essential to avoid the onset of lung diseases. The